Square Website Builder. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can build your website using Square. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, if you don't know what Square is basically a financial services and payment agency. What it basically does is it sends receipts via emails or messages, and it connects receipt prints to your tablet or whatever. So that's basically what it does. It's basically a website where you send and receive receipts, and it's basically help you to manage your financial statuses as well. But we can also create an amazing looking website with it. So let's begin. So over here, I'm on their website, squareup.com. And what you're going to do is just simply sign up. And the sign up process is very simple. Just simply click on get started over here, the blue button you will see in the middle. Just simply click on the button, and it's going to take you over to this website where you just simply have to create your account. And you can create your account by entering in your email address, confirm your email address, enter in a password, and then enter in your location, and then just simply click on continue. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And once you've done that, as you can see, your account has been created, and now you just tell them about your business. So over here, what kind of business are you? So you're either an individual or business. So let's just say we're an individual business. And what is your business name? Over here, just enter in the name of your business. And then over here, I have a mobile business as well. If you want, you can accept payments that coordinate your location to be printed on your receipts if you want that. But we'll just keep that unchecked, and then just enter in your address and your apartment, city, zip code, and you're good to go. And once you do that, they're going to ask you what kind of business are you. So your clothing and accessory, specialty shop, jewelry, watches, all these different types of categories that you have, you can go ahead and choose that. We'll just say that we are marketing slash advertising, all right. And then we'll just simply click on continue. And after that, they're going to save all of this information, and then they're going to save all of that information. And then they're going to ask you, what are you selling and where are you selling? So either a brick and mortar, on the go, at an event, through a Square online site, through pay links and buy button, and through send invoices. So let's just say that we're paying through send invoices, and click on continue. And they said, what else can we help to, manage? So create a catalog, manage payroll, set up a gift shop, set up a marketing campaign, create a loyalty program, set up financing, and manage appointments. So you can choose whichever one you want. It all depends on you, however you feel like it. But for now, I think we're going to skip this question and move on. Click on continue, and over here, just enter in your full name, your last name, phone number, date of birth, the last digit code of your SSN or ITN or address and stuff like that. And then we're going to move on. And once you've done that, they're going to ask you, what is your business about? So over here, let's just say we're a professional service, and we provide software development. And do you accept credit? Yes, we accept credit card. What is your business name? Just enter in the name of your business, and then enter in your address over here and city and stuff like that, and just simply click on continue. Wait for a couple of seconds, and boom, you're all set. Congratulations. Now you can go ahead and log in and start setting up your account. So we're going to click on login. We should be good to go. So over here, it's loading up the dashboard. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds. All right, don't go anywhere. And it should load up in just about a minute or two. There we go. So now that it's loaded up, this is how it's going to look like. You have a bunch of different options over here. Now you have your home, you have your subscription, reports, orders, account, and transaction. Now I know you're wondering that, hey, this is a, receipt sending and receiving type of website. Why would they have their own website builder tool? Well, they don't actually have their own website builder tool. You can, however, use other builders to integrate it with Square and then build a website. Now the way to do that is just simply come down over here and click on app integrations. So I reloaded up the website, and this is what they look like. They updated the dashboard, so this is how it's going to look like. You have a bunch of different options over here. I just simply created this new account, and we are good to go. So over here on the left side, you have all of your options. You have your home, you have your invoices, virtual terminal, subscription report, transaction. And over here in the dashboard, you have your setup guide. Over here, you can go ahead and activate your account, set up your bank account, get started with Square Points, send an invoice and stuff like that. At the bottom, you will have all of your details for today, and popular community and topics. Now, how do you basically, as I said before, how do you, navigate to the app integration? What you're going to do is you're going to come into settings, and over here, just simply click on app integrations. It's going to take you over to this marketplace over here, and over here you can see you have WordPress, you have a bunch of different other ones. You can connect to WordPress if you want, but if you don't want to, you can go ahead and connect to another app such as Wix. I already have a Wix website, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and link up with that one. So for that, just simply search for wix.com over here, just simply search for Wix. It's gonna show up over here on the left side at the top. You have your Wix, builder over here. You have Wix booking if you want to use that as well. For now, we're just simply gonna click on Wix and we're gonna install the integration over here. We're gonna click on get started. It's gonna load up Wix over here and we can go ahead and start now. So we'll just simply click on start now. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in, and boom, there you go. Now that I'm logged in, over here we just simply pick the website template that we like and we just move on. So it depends on you what type of website you're creating. So for example, if you're trying to create an e-commerce store, then I think this would look really good because I think this is pretty nice. It's a totes bag type of website. So let's go ahead and view that over here. We click on view and this is the view of the website. So this is how it looks like. So as you can see, it's pretty nice, looks pretty cool. So I think we can work with this website as well. So now we just simply click on edit this and it's going to take us to the editor for Wix and it's loading up. So just simply wait for a couple of seconds, give it a little bit of time. Don't think that the URL is broken or anything. It's just, to load up the website builder tool, it takes some time. So just be patient and just sit tight and relax. And boom, there you go. We are good to go. And now we can go ahead and start editing our website for our Square website. So over here, you can, as you can see, the editor is really simple. It's a simple drag and drop type of tool. And whenever I hover my mouse over a certain item or a certain section, that section gets highlighted. So for example, as you can see over here, when I hover my mouse over here, there's a blue line over here. And when I take my mouse over onto the header, it turns into orange. That means that I can select that. So like, for example, let's just say over here that we want to, manage over here. We want to change something over here in this section. What we can do is just simply click over here and then we can manage the products. It'll take us to the product manager over here where we can just choose which products that we want to have and which products that we don't want to have. So over here, as you can see, we have 12 products. All right, so these are all default created, so you don't have to worry about that. You can add more products if you want. So it's really simple. To add a new product, just simply click on new product. Over here, just simply click on digital or physical, whichever one you want. And let's just say, let's go with physical. So if you click on physical, it's going to ask us to add the images or add the video and add in the basic information such as the name of the product, the ribbon, the description of it, the pricing of the product, the cost of goods. You add your profit over here. You have your margin. You add your custom text if you want to add in some product options such as different sizes, colors, or materials, and then you have your inventory. Let's go ahead and add an item over here. Let's go ahead and add an image. So when you do that, it's going to open up the Wix media library where you have your images. Over here, you just simply upload your image from your computer. Let's see over here. So we go over here and let's say we want this totes bag. So we'll just simply upload this one and we'll just simply click on add to page. And over here we have the image over here. Now we just enter in the name of the product and we'll call it Galaxy Tote. And then over here we'll click on new arrival, and then over here you can add in the description. It's a nice bag. What more do you want? Yeah. And then you can add in additional information like share information internal for policy or care instructions with your customers or stuff like that. Then you have your pricing, and we'll just say that it's worth, let's say, $20. Sure, that's good. And the cost of manufacturing it was, let's say, $10, and the profit margin is 50%, and we are good to go. And then you can add in custom text fields as well, such as if you want to have like a custom image over here or anything else, anything custom, you can go ahead and do that. So for now, we'll just delete that. And then you have your product or option over here. You can add in different colors. So let's say color over here, and we can say like it's available in black and it's available in, let's say, purple and yellow and light purple, and boom, there you go. Then just simply click on add, and then you can click over here to manage pricing and inventory, and boom, you are good to go. And if you want to have subscriptions, then you can go ahead and add a subscription form as well. But for now, I think this is fine. Simply click on save, and boom, you are good to go. So now you are good to go. So as you can see, you have your Galaxy Tote over here. It's $20 and it's in stock as well. So boom, there you go. And once you have, edited your website, and boom, that's how you basically add a product. Now, what if you wanted to, edit it with your website, like change it up a little bit? So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna click over here at the empty background, and you can just simply click on this, so you can change it to anything you want. So for example, if search for like image over here, click on image, it's gonna come over here and we can search for images, and then down below we can click on media from Wix and search the media that Wix has their own media. So over here we're just gonna click on bags, or maybe tote bag, and we'll just simply click on search, and then we have a bunch of different bags over here, so we can choose we want. So let's try to find some fashion type of bag, like something that looks really nice as a background. So I think this would look pretty cool. Let's just simply click over here the image and simply click on change background, and boom, there you go, our background is now changed. That's how you do it. The same goes with every section over here, same goes with the text as well. You just simply click on a text, you get the option edit this text, and you click on it, and then you have a bunch of this pop-up where you just simply can change your text. You can change the size, the fonts, you can change the overall theme of the text, the height, the spacing. You can even add different effects to it as well. I click on, like over here you can add like shadows, like over here like glitch type of add, like over here as you can see, you can add like different shades of it as well. This one, like as you can see, it's look really nice, looks really cool. It all depends on you. I think that the shadow will look good, so we're good. So that's how you basically do it. And once you've edited the website, just simply click on publish, and you can just simply click on save and continue, and boom, you're good to go. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you make a website for Square, and how you can link your website to Square as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.